In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, just open, for example, messages, like any area where you can enter the text, right here. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, all you need to do is to tap on settings icon, then go to languages, tap on add keyboard, and select the language that you would like to use. So as you can see, the list of languages is super long, and you will definitely find something suitable here. And I will pick Hebrew, so you can clearly see the difference. So let me apply it. Now we can remove English or any other unnecessary language that you have. And as you can see, keyboard language has been already changed, and now you can smoothly write in Hebrew. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.